Welcome, and thank you for your interest in the I-90 West Three Forks to Bear Canyon corridor study. In this video, we'll provide background information, explain the planning process, and walk through the major components of the study. The Montana Department of Transportation, or MDT, is developing this study to create a long-range plan for managing the interstate corridor between Three Forks and Bozeman. This is a collaborative effort that includes input from MDT, the Federal Highway Administration, local governments, resource agencies, and the public. Our goal is to identify interstate transportation needs and potential solutions to safely accommodate travel demands. The study is a planning effort, meaning that it's happening before MDT conducts project development, identifies funding, or begins construction. While the study will result in a list of recommended improvements, no specific projects or funding are in place yet. Public involvement is essential to this process and will continue engaging communities to ensure local perspectives are considered. As part of MDT's planning process, we are following several steps. First, we're developing a baseline understanding of existing and projected conditions to identify areas of concern and consideration. This includes review of transportation conditions along with the human and natural environments that influence the corridor. Using this data, along with input from resource agencies and the public, the study will define needs and objectives for the corridor, focused on enhancing transportation safety and improving operations while taking other considerations into account, such as the environmental setting and funding constraints. From there, the study will identify a range of potential improvement options that MDT and partners could pursue in the future as funding allows. In addition to describing the potential solutions, the study will calculate planning level costs, identify potential funding sources, and outline potential implementation partners. Finally, we will compile all of our work in a corridor study report to document the process, findings, and recommendations. Public and stakeholder feedback will be collected and considered throughout the planning process. Written comments will be included in the study record as an appendix to the final report. The study area extends along Interstate 90 from the West Three Forks interchange in Broadwater County eastward through Gallatin County to the Bear Canyon Road interchange east of Bozeman. The study corridor includes 11 existing interchanges shown in the red callouts on the map. This segment of I-90 connects the communities of Three Forks, Logan, Manhattan, Belgrade, and Bozeman, and serves as a vital transportation network, supporting local commuter travel, commercial activity, and regional travel. A number of key concerns have prompted MDT to develop this study. The corridor is located within a rapidly growing region of Montana where population growth, economic development, increased travel demand, and seasonal fluctuations are placing increasing pressure on interstate operations and interchange performance. This section of I-90 also functions as a nationally important freight corridor, supporting long-haul trips and oversized load movements. Along with growing traffic volumes, the corridor is experiencing an increase in crashes, resulting in severe injuries as well as maintenance and incident management demands. Wildlife activity is prominent in the area, with wildlife vehicle conflicts posing a key safety concern. As these challenges grow, the public has expressed a desire for improvements to the corridor to address the issues. Over the past few months, the planning team has been focused on evaluating existing and projected conditions to identify areas of concern. This work has been documented in draft technical memos, which are available on the study website. The draft environmental scan report provides important information about the environmental context and resources to consider through the corridor. The draft existing and projected conditions report documents demographic and economic conditions affecting traffic volumes, the physical roadway corridor and associated transportation facilities, geometric characteristics, current and projected traffic conditions, and safety conditions in the corridor. If you don't want to read the detailed reports, check out the exhibits posted to Virtual Open House number 1, which summarize key takeaways. The study schedule follows a 14-month timeframe. Through the spring and early summer of 2026, the planning team has been busy gathering data and documenting existing and projected conditions. Now in August, MDT is hosting a series of open houses to share key findings from these steps. MDT is looking for resource agencies, stakeholder, and public feedback on the information gathered so far. Next, the team will define needs and objectives and start identifying potential options, ranging from mainline interstate improvements to interchange, ramp, and ramp intersection enhancements. Another round of public outreach will occur toward the end of 2026 to share preliminary improvement concepts. In early 2027, the team will document the entire planning process in the corridor study report. A public draft is anticipated by January 2027, and all work is anticipated to be completed by February 2027. To stay informed and get involved, we encourage you to explore the study website and share your input. If you have any questions or comments, please reach out to Jackson Lang with MDT or to Sarah Nicolai, the consultant project manager. Contact information is listed here and on the website at mdt.mt.gov/pubinvolve/I-90W3Forks. Thanks again for your time, and we look forward to hearing from you.